How to delete a Venmo transaction. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's guide video, I will guide you on how you can delete a Venmo transaction. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe you have some type of transfer history on Venmo that you might want to delete and then get rid of. Well, to give you a basic idea, the short answer is absolutely no. Because for regulatory and compliance reasons, bank statements or even your payment statements record all credit card transactions or even your account transactions to protect you from fraud. For better or for worse, this means that it's impossible to hide or delete them from your history once they have been processed. This is not only applicable for Venmo, the same is with Revolut, the same is with Remitly, the same is with Cash App, the same is with PayPal, the same is with the mobile banking application. Unfortunately, you can't delete it. You can only change the app settings and then make it transactions from private to public or from public to private. This way your transactions will be only visible to you and the recipient or the sender. So hope this video helped you as to how you can delete your Venmo transaction, but to give you a short answer, you can't really delete your Venmo transaction. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.